The biggest threat of a company or a business comes from an employee, either knowingly or unknowingly. Most people use their phone or their device to visit an explicit site which draw more attention to the companies, which cause a threat to it. And also, our children are surrounded by technology that they barely understand it. So whenever they are using their phone to do something, most of them don't know what they are doing, but these things can cause you a bigger problem. This video is strictly for educational purposes. Don't use these apps or this software on anyone without their permission. Otherwise, if you get caught, you'll be held responsible and you will go to jail for that. And I don't know the time you will come back. So let's get into the video right now. So do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And also don't forget to tap on the notification bell to get more videos like this. And I'm Koscyber. Our first spying app or software is mSpy, the best phone tracker for parental control. This one, basically, it is made for parents to check on their kids, but you can also use it to check on your employees and check whether they are doing the good thing or they are using your machine or your IT tools to do something unmeaningful, something that is not meaningful. So our first app, which is the mSpy, works as it monitors every keystroke and every tap of the person's phone or laptop, read their social media chat, see where they have been and the place that they are going, review their tests, including deleted one, even it save even the deleted one, find the person that they called and see the pictures that they share, see what they have searched for on whether being it Google or anything. This one work. Then you can create a free account and also pick a plan and start your monitoring and check on your kid. It's very, very important to be checking on your kids. Our second spying app is FeliSpy, the world's most powerful monitoring software for computer, mobile phone, and tablets. And this one you can get it on both all the spying apps, both mSpy and FeliSpy. You can get it on Google Play Store and App Store as well. So this one, it monitors parental control. So this one, it monitors all Android phone and iPhone, digital and audio communication, monitor everything that happens on your PC or Mac. The PC, I mean, whether your Windows or any other PC. Monitor all features and products and review a whole lot of things to you so that you know what is going on. So this is one of the best apps that I would recommend for you to get it, especially for parents and company owners to check on their employee. And Spy app, this is the major features that I will tell you it works. Monitor and install application, record phone calls, monitor social media, track device location, track digital communication, view media, manage internet usage, listen to environment, alert report, and free mobile portal viewer. This is very, very interesting. So our third spying app is the mSpy. The mSpy also is a very nice spying app that you must have and enjoy. It also works as the others, phone calls and contact, check it for you, your phone book entries, GPS location, SMS, phone call and surround recording, WhatsApp without root, 24/7 instant alert. The mSpy analytic, it show you the key. It give you whatever that you want, and whatever that you want to spy, you want to get from the person that you are spying. This app actually give it to you for you to get and enjoy. So let's take a very good look at the last one, which is iZspy. iZspy is very, very interesting, and let me say enjoying using it to spy on someone, especially your kids or your employees. It's very, very cool. iZcell is the most powerful phone monitoring software on the planet. When they say software, which means you can also get the app on Google Play Store or either App Store, and it works very, very, very well for you. So this one, you can pick your membership plan, install the app, then you are good to go. Yeah, then you are good to go. So you can check on it, give you 24/7 alerts, check on social media, text, social media pics, whatever that you are doing, you will know. The person is doing, you will know. It keep visible while seeing the activities. It keep out running no matter what your device or the person that is using, the person, whatever the device that the person is using, easy get all for you. So you don't have to be worried it will end that it will go off. No, it works 24/7 on the person's device, so you don't have to worry. And so this is the end of the video, and I still remain the name Koscyber. Do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and also don't forget to tap on the notification bell to get more videos like this. And I'm out.